Welcome to my YouTube channel, Imi Bereho TV. Today I'm going to show you how you can make tomato paste from home. Tomato paste begins with fresh, ripe tomatoes. The best tomatoes are bright red, juicy, and full of flavor.
First, the tomatoes are carefully washed to remove dirt, dust, and pesticides.
Next, we cut the tomatoes into smaller pieces so they cook faster and release their juice.
We cook the tomatoes until they soften and break down into a juicy mixture. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally.
To get a smooth texture, blend the tomatoes or mash them well. This step removes the seeds and skins, leaving a smooth tomato sauce. Now we slowly cook the tomato sauce until it becomes thick and rich tomato paste. Cook 30 to 60 minutes, stirring often to prevent burning. Let the paste cool, then store it in clean jars. You can refrigerate it or freeze it for later use. And there you have it, rich, homemade tomato paste ready for your favorite meals.